In the last class, we discussed about atmospheric refraction concept. As part of that concept, we discussed about the twinkling of stars. Why the stars will twinkle? We discussed in the last class. Am I right? Okay. Can anyone will explain why the stars will twinkle? Can anyone will please respond, sir?
Sir, it is because due to atmospheric refraction.
Very good. Atmospheric refraction. Then planets has to twinkle, sir, but they are not twinkling. Why?
Sir,
Sir,
because
because
they
they
are bigger
are
and
larger
stars
and
are
they do not
very far,
emit
sir.
their own light, sir.
Okay. Stars are emitting light themselves, whereas planets are reflecting the light. But whatever it may be, they has to twinkle. But planets are near to us. The refraction between the means the light refraction means whatever the light coming out from the planets is not refract that many times. It is near to us, whereas the stars are very far. It has to pass through many layers of the blankets of the air, Nana. Different types of dust, different things is has to refract, Nana. Because of that reason only, it is twinkling. That is the condition, Nana. Okay, please. Next concept is advanced sunrise and a delayed sunset. Please, this is very common concept, Nana. The sun rises, okay, little bit early, but we'll see delayed sun. Okay, advanced sunset, Nana, and delayed sunset we'll see, Nana. Why? Because very simple things, sir. Okay, sun is rising, Nana. Okay, it has to reach our eyes means it will take approximately 2 minutes time, Nana. The light which is coming to sun to here, it will take around 2 minutes time. Okay, and the speed of the light already we know 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, and per second that much speed it is traveling. Even though to reach our eyes means our Earth, it is taking 2 minutes time. Means how much distance it is there you can calculate. Okay, it has to sun rises, but it has to reach our eyes means it takes some time, Nana. And before that also one more thing, sir. Please observe very important thing, Nana. One more important thing here you can see. Now try to observe the sun, sir, in the sky. Can anyone will see the sky in the at no sorry? Can anyone see the sun in the sky, Nana? Now
No, sir.
Sir, weather is cloudy, sir.
cloudy. If it is not cloudy, can you see the sun early morning when the
Yes, sir.
sun rises immediately?
In red color.
No,
Okay,
sir.
red color you can see, but when the sun rises, then you can't see, Nana. When please observe carefully. This is the sun, Nana. Okay, this is the earth, Nana. For example, if you are here and slowly earth is revolving like this. Okay, for example, revolving like this. Then when you are at this position, please observe carefully. The sun rays means like a skull, it will looks like a white or blue in color. Morning time, early morning time, it looks like white or blue in color, Nana. But you can't see the sun. Early mornings, you can't see the sun. సూర్యుడు పొద్దు పొద్దున లేకున్నా కూడా మీకు బ్రైట్నెస్ అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. Whether you understood what I told. Morning, if there is no sun also, the brightness will be there. In your home, when the switch is on, if the light falls, if the light is glowing, then only you can see the objects, otherwise the glowness will be there, Nana. అర్థమైందా నాన్న? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక డార్క్ రూమ్ ఉంది నాన్న. ఆ డార్క్ రూమ్ లో ఏమైంది, లైట్ వేసిన తర్వాతనే మీకు బ్రైట్నెస్ కనిపిస్తుంది. Am I right? Please respond, sir. Whether
Yes,
you are
sir.
understanding, I'm not getting
Yes,
done.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. In the sun condition also, okay, sun will not be appeared, sir. Sun is not appearing. Even though the brightness you can see, Nana, early morning times, like 5:30 at that time. Am I right? Have you got, sir, what I told?
Yes, sir.
Why it is
Yes, sir.
happening like? Why it is happening like so? Whether you understood the question, Nana?
Sir, can you D question.
Okay, I'll repeat the question. Listen carefully, Nana. If you are sitting in a room, Nana, it is completely dark. When you glow the bulb, then only you can able to see the objects or things. That glowness will be there, Nana. Am I right? But in the sun condition, sun is not appearing, Nana. Sun is not appearing, even though the glowness in the sky will be appeared in an early mornings before the sun rises. Also, we can see that. Why?
Sir, because it lights emit very far and has heavy light.
Okay. What, Ragi?
Sir, atmospheric refraction, sir.
Okay, Nana. Very good, Nana. Please, for that, okay, please try to observe this diagram, Nana. I'll show you. Observe here, Nana. This diagram, observe here. You are standing here. Sun is here. This position of the sun is called as origin, Nana. If the sun is parallel to our eye or our level, then it is called as origin. What we call it as origin, will say, Nana. Listen carefully. When the sun is below the origin, okay, below the origin, then observe carefully what happens. Okay, okay, when the sun is below the horizon, please observe carefully, Nana. What happens? Observe carefully, Nana. Okay, when the position is here, at that condition also, at that condition also, okay, in this situation also, okay, what happened? Light start emitting, Nana. Light start emitting. In this condition, what happens? Means, observe carefully. In this condition, okay, the light will emit all the direction from the sun, Nana. All the direction from the sun. Then whatever the light particles traveling in these directions, different direction, they'll refract and reach us to our eye, Nana. Reach us to our eyes. Because of that reason, we can see the early or advanced sunrise. Okay, నానా, భూమి కంటే మన భూమి లెవెల్లో, అంటే మన ఈ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నాం నాన్న. ఆ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు భూమి లెవెల్లో సన్ అనేది ఫాల్ అవుతుంది, సన్ లైట్ అనేది వస్తుంది. దాన్ని హారిజిన్ అంటారు అన్న. హారిజిన్ కి డౌన్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఏమైతుంది? లైట్ అన్ని డైరెక్షన్ లో ఎమిట్ అయ్యి ఏమైతుంటది? ఆ రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అయ్యి, అంటే డస్ట్ పార్టికల్స్ ఉంది కానీ ఏదైనా రీజన్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది, రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది అయి అదేమైతుంది? మన ఐస్ కి రీచ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దాన్ని అడ్వాన్స్ సన్ రైజ్ అంటారు. అడ్వాన్స్ సన్ రైజ్. ఈవెన్ సన్సెట్ కండిషన్ ఆల్సో సేమ్, నానా. డ్యూరింగ్ సన్సెట్ కండిషన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? ఓకే, ఓకే, ఇట్ హార్జిన్ కి డౌన్ కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, కిందికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. హార్జిన్ కంటే డౌన్ కి వెళ్ళిపోయినా ఆల్ డైరెక్షన్ లో లైట్ ఎమిట్ అయ్యి ఏమైతుంటది అంటే, ఆల్ డైరెక్షన్స్ లో లైట్ ఎమిట్ అయ్యి ఏమైతుంటది మనకనేది డిలే అయినా అంటే కొంచెం లైట్ అనేది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యి మన కంటికి కనిపిస్తుంది. 5:30కి సన్సెట్ అయినా 4 to 6 వరకు ఇంకా బ్రైట్నెస్ ఉంటుంది స్కైలో. ఎక్కడిది అంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ అట్మాస్ఫియరిక్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్. దట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్ నాన్న. ఒక్కసారి ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ చదవండి నాన్న. ఓకే, 2 minutes టైం ఇస్తాను, చదవండి. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. అర్థమైందా కాన్సెప్ట్?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Sir,
Sir.
జయవంత్
సార్ అర్థమైంది సార్.
నాన్న వెరీ సింపుల్ నాన్న. మన రెగ్యులర్ గా సన్సెట్ అనేది 2 minutes డిలే ఉంటది. సన్ రైజ్ అనేది 2 minutes అడ్వాన్స్ ఉంటది. ఎందుకు అంటే ఫర్ సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ రోజు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి అన్న, ఈవినింగ్ సన్ సెట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కూడా కొద్దిసేపు మనకు ఆకాశంలో బ్రైట్నెస్ అనేది ఉంటది. ఎందుకు అంటే రీజన్ హారిజిన్ అంటే అర్థమైంది కదన్నా. మనం ఇట్లా నిలబడి ఉన్నాం, మన ఎర్త్ లెవెల్ కి స్ట్రైట్ గా సన్ వచ్చిందని హారిజిన్ అంటున్నాను. అర్థమవుతుందా? మనం నిలబడ్డ పొజిషన్ కి స్ట్రైట్ గా, అంటే మనం ఒక లెవెల్లో నిలబడ్డప్పుడు సన్ ఉంటది కదా, ఇట్లా డిప్ అవుతున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుందా, దాన్ని హారిజిన్ అంటారు. కామన్ గా మీరు కన్యాకుమారిలో సన్సెట్ కి సన్ రైజ్ కి వెళ్తుంటున్నాను, ఓకే, ఓషన్ నుండి ఇట్లా పైన కూర్చున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది, అదేనా? ఆ పొజిషన్ ఓషన్ దగ్గర స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ కనిపిస్తుంది, దాన్ని హారిజిన్ అంటారు. లెవెల్ ఆ ఈక్వల్ పొజిషన్ ని ఓకే హారిజిన్ అంటారు. అది గుర్తుపెట్టు. నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓకే, స్కాటరింగ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్. ఓకే, స్కాటరింగ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్. Scattering means, what is meant by scattering of light, Nana? Please, anyone will say what is meant by scattering?
Sir, it means
సార్
reflection of light, sir. Reflection of light because of some disturbances coming in the middle, like air particles.
Hmm.
Then the light will be reflected to the many directions.
Hmm.
It will be splitted because of some disturbances, like dust particles coming in the way of the light.
Okay. Okay, Nana. Anything else? Anything else, Nana? Okay, please. Before that, I want to clarify with you one thing, Nana. All subject syllabus completed, Nana, except physics.
Sir, chemistry also going on, sir. Biology also going on.
Maths completed.
Yes, sir. Maths completed.
Sir,
Sir, maths completed.
Oh. Means maths are took special classes during the holidays, I think.
You're asking about
Daily
the
one
total textbook or total textbook you're asking, sir?
Yes, Nana.
Sir, not completed, sir.
Completed, sir. Maths.
Constructions, one chapter is there, sir.
Okay. Construction chapter, it is big problem for you, sir, as well as for you also, Nana. Why? Because teaching on online classes, that concept is very difficult. Okay. Let it, sir. With the today's concept, we can complete our total physics part, Nana. Total physics concepts we can complete. Scattering means simply, okay, whatever the thing you told, that is dispersion. Okay, dispersion. Okay, am I right? That is dispersion. Scattering means simply nothing but penetrating or passing through. Na? Okay, here as part of this concept, we people are going to discuss about the Tyndall effect. Then we people are going to discuss why the color of the sun. Okay, sky will be blue, as well as the color of the sun rising time and sun setting time, it will be red in color. Okay, what is the color of the deep ocean? Okay, regarding this, we people are going to discuss as part of the today's class as part of the scattering of light concept. Listen carefully, Nana. First, we people are going to discuss about the Tyndall effect. What we people are going to discuss? Tyndall effect. Okay, please listen carefully, Nana. Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect means the Earth atmosphere. Means what is meant by Tyndall effect, Nana? We discussed it in the 9th class. Okay, mixtures. Okay, homogeneous, heterogeneous mixtures. As part of that, suspensions concepts we discussed about the Tyndall effect, Nana.
Yes, sir.
What is meant by Tyndall effect?
Sir, if a light passes through a true solution, it will be passing through it. If it pass to a colloidal solution, it will be scattered.
Okay, Nana.
Sir, light not reaching the light.
Okay, Nana. Okay. Please listen here, Nana. Whenever light is passing through a fine particle like a small substances, okay, we can see generally the direction of the light is not visible, Nana. Okay, and how the light is penetrating or passing, we can't see, Nana. The beam of light we can't see. But whenever that light is passing through the light fine particles, then we can observe, we can identify the direction of the beam of the light. Okay, beam of the light, Nana. Okay, that effect, okay, will be visible by the fine particles which we having it. Okay, what it will do, it will reflect some amount of light, some refraction will take place. By means of that only we can see, Nana, that effect. Okay, we can call it as a Tyndall effect. We can call it as a Tyndall effect, Nana. Please listen carefully, Nana.
Sir,
Generally, if you are traveling through a deep forest, okay, some okay, what the leaves having some gaps among themselves, whenever it is passing through them, then what happen, whenever the light is passing through that, then what we can see, Nana, the dust particles which are present in that will be visible, as well as that make us to see the light particles. Okay, the direction of the light particles will be visible, Nana. That effect we can call as a Tyndall effect. And otherwise, one more simple example which we can do in your home. Okay, please take some amount of water in a tumbler, mix some amount of atta in it, not maximum, mix some amount. Then sit in a deep or dark place, Nana, and allow the light through that. Then you can see the path or the direction of the light propagating or moving through it. Okay, that effect we can call it as a Tyndall effect, Nana. Okay,
sir, can
that
you
is a,
repeat its definition, sir?
sorry, Nana.
Sir, can you please repeat the definition of Tyndall effect, sir?
Sir, for that specific definition will not be there, sir. Like this only means will not be there, sir. Whenever the light is penetrating through a fine or small particles, then they'll reflect that light. Okay, that made the light to, okay, that made us to see the direction of the light, sir. Generally, that effect we can call as a Tyndall effect, Nana. Then why it happens like so? Means listen carefully, Nana. We people know that the dispersion of light through the light means this dust are small particles, Nana. Okay. Here the dust particles mass will be very very small, sir. Whenever the light is passing through the, means like a red light is passing through them, then what happens? Do you know, sir? It pass through the dust particles very fast, Nana. Because of that reason, it will not be stopped. For example, if you take a violet or blue, what happen indigo? Then what happens? Their frequency will be less. Their wavelength, their speed will be less, Nana. Because of that reason, whenever it is passing through or penetrating through these dust particles, they'll not allow that light to pass through them. Then after hitting that, it will reflect back. Okay, because of that reason only we can see that light, Nana. Okay, that is about the Tyndall effect. Means this all because of the varying of the frequency, varying of the speed of the different lights and different colors. Okay, next concept is, why is the color of the clear sky blue, Nana? Please, if you have, okay, if you think once, if you use your brain, okay, you can answer it. Okay, why is the color of the clear sky blue, Nana? Kritik,
Okay.
tell me now.
Sir, our atmosphere has very fine particles, and because of the blue color has a less wavelength, uh, it gets easily scattered by the uh, particles, sir. And compared to the red light, because the red light have larger wavelengths compared to blue light, and it won't be refracted by the atmosphere. So we only see the blue light, sir.
Okay, Nana. Okay, Nana. Excellent answer, Nana. Very simple point, Nana. Simple point. The whatever the light coming from the sun, it is a band of colors, Nana. Group of colors, a bunch of colors, Nana. It has like it can 1 minute, Nana. Whether my voice is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for delay. Some small disturbance happened here. Okay. In my presentation. Okay, listen. Here, listen carefully, Nana. Very simple thing, Nana. Very simple thing. Just now I told Nana. Sorry, first in the dispersion, as part of the dispersion concept, we discussed one point. What that means? Just now also I repeated that. The light which is coming from the sun is not a single color. It is a group of colors. Means by the combination of 7 colors, here different colors having different frequencies, different speeds. Just now I told. Here what is happening? The atmosphere having different okay, different what we dust particles, layers of the air it is having. Are you clear? Any doubt in this? The atmosphere is having different types of gases like hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, as well as dust particles are there. Many other substances. Because of these are that what happening? Gases having different densities, different mass. For example, if you take carbon dioxide, it is having a heavy weight. Hydrogen, light weight. Nitrogen, moderate weight. Dust particles, some will be small, will be big, like different things it is having. Different layers of gases, layers of dust particles are present in our atmosphere. Whatever the light is coming from the sun, it is of also having different colors. It is entering into our earth atmosphere. Okay, whenever it is entering, okay, generally I told you, Nana, okay, for example, one water means, okay, simple example, Nana, water flows, Nana, simple, small water flows. దానికి అడ్డుగా ఒక చిన్న మట్టితో మీరు ఏది చిన్న మట్టి కట్టిందన్న మట్టితో ఇట్లా గోడ వాల్ టైప్ కట్టింది వాటర్ ప్రెషర్ అనేది చాలా సన్నగా ఉంది అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది వాటర్ అనేది సింపుల్ గా స్టాప్ అన్న అయిపోతే డైవర్ట్ అవుతుంది అదే వాటర్ ప్రెషర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది సేమ్ అదే విధంగా మట్టి పెట్టి కట్టింది ఆగుతాయి వాటర్ ఆ మట్టి ఇది గోడ అనేది బ్లాస్ట్ అవుతుంది మట్టి అనేది బ్లాస్ట్ అవుతుంది పగిలిపోతుంది am I right? Same thing, Nana. Here, what is having what happening, Nana? Different speeds, different lights having, Nana. By that, what happening? The what means the light which is having the high speed, like a red light having high speed, Nana. It simply penetrates through these different layers and different particles. Like if you take violet or indigo blue color, what happens? Its speed is very, very, very less, Nana. After hitting it, what happens? It reflects back. It reflects back. Okay. Because of that reason, what happening? Because of this reason, the reflected light reaching to your eyes. The light which is penetrating is not reaching your eyes. The light which is reflecting is reaching your eyes. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లైట్ లెసన్ లో మనం చదివినాం నాన్న ఏదైనా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ చూడాలంటే ఏంది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పైన పడ్డ లైట్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యి మీ ఐకి రీచ్ అవ్వాలి అప్పుడే మీరు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ చూడగలరు ఇక్కడ ఏమైతుంది బ్లూ లైట్ అనేది ఈ వాయిలెట్ ఇండిగో బ్లూ మిక్సింగ్ అది మనకి బ్లూ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది ఓకే హిట్ అవుతుంది డస్ట్ పార్టికల్స్ ని డిఫరెంట్ లేయర్స్ ని హిట్ అయ్యి ఏమైతుంది అది మీ ఐస్ కి రీచ్ అవుతుంది ఓకే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ రీజన్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ sky as blue. Up to what extent it can be means up to this earth atmosphere, nana earth atmosphere ఉన్నంత వరకే స్కై అనేది బ్లూ కనిపిస్తుంది నాన్న మీరు ఒకవేళ ఎర్త్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ పైకి వెళ్ళిపోయినారు ఓకే దెన్ ద కలర్ ఆఫ్ ద స్కై లుక్స్ బ్లాక్ ఇన్ కలర్ అన్న డే టైం కూడా మీకు బ్లాక్ కనిపిస్తుంది ఎందుకు రీజన్ చెప్పనా సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ జస్ట్ ఐ టోల్ యూ నా ఓకే అక్కడికి పోయినాక రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఐ రీచ్ మీకు ఆ లైట్ మీ ఐకి రీచ్ అవ్వదు రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యి కిందికి వెళ్ళిపోద్ది కనుక కనపడదు అది రీజన్ ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ అన్న దిస్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ రీజన్ ఓన్లీ ద సన్ ఓకే ద sky will looks blue in color. Okay, come to the ocean condition or sea condition. Okay, why it look like blue? Means the atmosphere. Okay, observe carefully, Nana. The sky is looking like a blue, Nana. ఆ లైట్ అనేది దీనిపైన పడి రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అన్న మీ కంటికి కనుక మీకు బ్లూ కానీ. Okay, even in the ocean also, up to some extent, the level of the water look like blue. After that, if you go deep and deep and deeper, it looks like a black only, Nana. Okay, it looks like black only ocean also. Okay, why? Because same condition. Up to some extent, the blue light will penetrate. After that, what happened? The blue light don't have the energy or the speed is not enough to penetrate through it. That is the reason, Nana. Next concept and very very important thing is, okay, you have to remember why the people use a red signal for the danger. Generally, if you see railway signals, okay, will be red. And for example, big pole site is having, it seems red. Why it like look like that?
Sir, because red color is very
Sir,
attractive.
it has more wavelength, sir. It travels far.
It
Someone
is
said
not
it look.
refracted by the particles, sir. It was not refracted by the particles because it has longer wavelength.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. Someone said it more attractive is that, Nana.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, parrot green will be more attractive, na? As I know. Okay. For different people, different colors will be attractive, na? For me, generally blue color only will be attractive. For someone, green will be attractive. Okay, that is not the reason, Nana. Very simple thing, Nana. It's a speed frequency is more, Nana. Danger means from far distances they has to identify something is there front there, because of, okay, if you use a red light from far distances we can identify it easily. Because of that reason only, okay, because of that reason only we can, we have to, okay, we have to identify, we have to use it now. Okay, that is the condition. Okay, to red light if we use from long distances we can identify it easily. Because of that reason we'll use red light for the danger signal. Next final concept, color of the sun at sunrise and sunset. Okay, please, before that one activity is given 11.3, go through that. Completed activity 11.3.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Before okay, listen here, Nana. That activity, please. We have to take one source of light, Nana. We have to take one diverging lens. Then we have to take a water tanker, and we have to take a cardboard, and we have to make a small hole, and we have to take a converging lens. Then we have to take a screen. Observe carefully. What are the substances? Source, one diverging lens, and one water tub, a cardboard with small hole. Okay, then converging lens and screen. Then we have to, then we have to switch on the source of the light, then we have to allow that light to pass through the converging lens. Sorry, diverging lens. Then in the front of the diverging lens, we have to take one water tub. Then the light will penetrate or pass through it. Then a small cardboard we have to take. For that we have to take a hole, and converging lens we have to take. Through that light has to allow now. If you observe the screen behind the converging lens, we can see very less colors now, different less colors, like you can see red color, you can see yellow color, okay, you can see green. Only 2 to 3 colors only you can see, sir. When the source is there, you can see white color, but on the screen you can see only 3 colors now. Why it is happening like so? Why? Because light has to pass through different light has to pass through the different layers and different media. Because of that reason, the whose speed will be very very less, they'll be traveling back, okay. But whereas the whereas this conditions, these conditions, what is happening, okay, the light is red light is easily penetrating through them and it is visible, Nana. Here also listen carefully, Nana. During the sunrise and sunset, okay, very simple thing, Nana. The sun will be at horizon during the sunrise and sunset, Nana. Okay, సూర్యుడు ఎట్లా ఉంటాడు, హారిజిన్ లో ఉంటాడు నాన్న, సన్ రైజ్ టైంలో సన్సెట్ టైంలో, అంటే లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి. Okay, it will be at a long distance, Nana. Because of that reason, what happened, okay, long distance has to travel means only red light is possible, Nana. Because of that reason, during the sunrise sunset, if you observe sun looks like a reddish in color, Nana, reddish in color. Slowly it becomes yellow in color, Nana. Afternoon time when you observe, he will be on our head, means near to us, Nana. Because of that reason, it looks like white in color, Nana. Means at the time all the colors will combine and looks like that, Nana. That is the condition. Okay, this is the situation about the sunrise and sunset condition, Nana. Are you clear? During the sunrise and sunset, okay, sun looks like reddish in color. Why? Because it will be origin. Origin means long distance it will be there. Okay, చూడండి నాన్న, ఈరోజు సాయంత్రం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుండండి, రేపు పొద్దున మార్నింగ్ కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. సన్ రైజ్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు రెడ్ కలర్ ఉంటుంది నాన్న, స్లోగా ఎల్లో కలర్ వస్తుంది, తర్వాత స్లోగా ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ అనిపిస్తుంది, తర్వాత వైట్ కలర్ వస్తుంది. సన్సెట్ టైం కూడా సేమ్ సిచ్యువేషన్, ఓకే. వై? బికాస్ కలర్స్ చేంజ్ అవ్వడు సూర్యుడు మనలాగా. బట్ సింపుల్ థింగ్ ఏంది, the colors means the frequencies are the speeds of the light made us to look, means visible for us like that, Anna. That is the condition, okay. This is about the situation. Any doubt? Okay, with this our total physics concepts are completed of your 10th syllabus, okay. Thank you. Okay, from next class onwards we'll start the revision, okay. Are you clear? As I got the information for PA2, total syllabus will be there for you. Okay, Nana, any doubt?